Hello, my name is Olayemi John, and I am a coding and robotics instructor. And today I will be teaching you how to write a simple algorithm to make a cat move to create a simple animation using Scratch. Alright, first and foremost, I will need to start my Scratch application. And when I do that, I have this screen. So I want to change my backdrop. I'll come to this place and select a backdrop. I want to choose a backdrop that looks like a classroom. Okay, something like this. I will move my sprite to where I want it to start from, and then I'll go to the events block and drag when green flag clicked. I want the cat sprite to start from here. So I will go to motions and drag the go to XY position. These numbers are there because I've already moved my cat to where I want it to start from. And when the program starts, I want my sprite to have a size 60% of its original size. Okay, so when I click, it looks like this. But then I want the sprite to start moving when I click on the sprite. So I'll go back to events and click when sprite clicked. Okay, then I want it to move. So I'll drag move 10 steps. And then when it's moving, I want the costume to change. But before that, let's see how this looks. If I click on my sprite, it's actually moving. So when it's moving, I want the legs to also move. So to do that, I'll go to looks and select next costume. So when I click, the legs are actually moving. All right. Now, for it to move continuously, I would use the repeat block. I will wrap the whole thing around the repeat block. For now, let's leave it at 10. If I click on my sprite, you can see that it's moving. You can see. For now, the movement is fast. So to reduce that, I might want to change this number to 4. Let's see how that will look. Now it's moving, quite slow. Let me change this to 20 so that I can move further. So when I click the sprite, you can actually see the movements. Okay, so the higher the number, the further it moves, and this controls the speed of movement. Okay, another thing I want to do is, as it is moving forward, I want the size to also increase. So I'll go back to looks and change and drag the change size by, let me change size by 2, and let's see how that works. Okay, this is perfect. Now when it has come to this place, I want it to change costume to another one. Let's see what costume we have. Okay, I want the costume to always end on this one, so I will select switch costume to costume 1. Costume 1. So every time it gets there, it changes costume to this. All right, and I want it to say hello, welcome to class. So I will drag the say block under looks and I will type my text, hello, you are welcome to class. You are welcome to class. Let's say that for 4 seconds. Change the value to 4 and let's see how this works. And wow, you have your animation. So this is just a simple algorithm to create an animation using Scratch. I've been able to animate the cat sprite and make it say welcome to class. All right, so that will be it for today. If you have any question, feel free to ask your question and I will see you in the next class.